Have you ever been about to leave to go somewhere on your bike, but then you realize you have a flat tire and you're so dumb you don't even know how to fix it? But this video should help you fix it in less than 5 minutes. You're going to need a tube, a pump, and I recommend 2 monkey wrenches. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip over your bike so it's easier to work with. Then you're going to take off your front tire by unscrewing your quick release. You're going to want to keep that quick release in a very safe place so you don't lose it. Then you're going to take off your tire and find a suitable place to work with it. Next off, you're going to want to take out your monkey wrenches and pull your tire so it gets unsealed. And then you're going to put your monkey wrench inside under the tire and get it off the rim. And then you can hook it to the tire with your spokes. Then you can take the other monkey wrench and use it to take your tire halfway off. Once you have your tire halfway off, you can start pulling out your tube. So first you're going to want to take out the valve. You're going to want to push it out of the side of the rim, and then you're just going to pull the whole tube out with it. Next off, you're going to take out your new tube, and then you're going to want to pump it up a bit so that way it's a lot easier to put inside your tire. Once you're done pumping up your tire, you're going to put your tube inside your tire. So first you're going to find the spot where the valve goes and you're going to put it inside the hole where the rim is. And then you're just going to stuff your tube in with it. Once your tube is inside the tire, you can then either take out your monkey wrench and get the tire inside the rim that way, or it's a lot better for your tube. It has less chance of puncturing it just using your hands by pulling it into the tube, which is better to do. Then, once your tire is all the way on the rim and it's sealed with your tube inside there, your tire is done and you're good to go. Once you're done with that, you're just going to have to take out your pump and start pumping up your tire. Next off, you're going to take your front tire and you're going to put it back inside your fork. But if you got a flat in the back tire, you're going to want to pull down your top part of the derailleur so your derailleur is sticking up how it would if the tire was on it, and you're just going to slide your cassette in between the chain, and then you'll be good on the back. And once you're done tightening that quick release, your bike will be good to go and you can ride it all you want.